everyone, I am Lori Ricciardoni and this is my home kitchen. This is a taste for all seasons where we make delicious gluten-free cooking for every meal and mood. We're keeping it kind of simple these days. A lot of people are working at home and just busy with so many different things, and they don't really want to spend that much time in the kitchen is what I'm being told, but they want really flavorful food. So in honor of that, we're making a very simple vinaigrette today, a parsley shallot vinaigrette, and a beautiful salad that's from my farmer here, some just fresh local greens. And when you have that, you don't really have to do too much with it. You can just keep it really simple because it's just so fresh. And then maybe just add a few extra ingredients, where today we're adding some figs because they're in season right now. We're in September. And figs are just really available and as sweet as you're going to get them, particularly if you get them local, as I am. So I will show you how to make it. All right, let's go. Our ingredients today for our vinaigrette are shallots, apple cider vinegar, lemon, salt, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, some beautiful figs, diced cucumbers, our local greens from our farmer here in Asheville, little ground pepper to finish at the end, and our beautiful fennel-seeded croutons. All right, now we're preparing our vinaigrette. So we're going to take our beautiful small shallot. We're going to cut it vertically first and then slice into it horizontally. It makes a really nice chop on the shallot, and then do a really fine chop on that. Then we will add our apple cider vinegar. We'll squeeze our fresh lemon into it. Then we'll sprinkle a little bit of salt. We're going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to macerate. Just softens the shallot, just let everything get to know each other. Then we will do a really nice fine chop on our parsley. So take your time with the parsley, just a nice fine chop. This way everything just kind of incorporates a little bit easier into the vinaigrette. And then we will take our extra virgin olive oil, whisk it in, and let that sit a little bit. Taste it for seasoning. We're going to put our pepper in at the end. I like to do the ground pepper at the end for a finish. And that's pretty much our vinaigrette. It's very simple, and there you have it. Now we're chopping our beautiful figs. I will quarter them first, and then I'll do some slices on the figs. Really, you can do it however you like. It's a personal preference. Cucumbers, slice the cucumbers about 1/4 inch in thickness. Cut them in half and then cut them in quarters. Again, I like to have just smaller bits of all the ingredients so that everything just gets incorporated nicely. We are ready to mix our salad. I use my hands to mix a salad. It is the best tool we have. Of course, clean hands. And just put all your lettuces in a bowl, drizzle maybe half the vinaigrette, save a little bit for the end to just drizzle over it. You might not need it all. Just give a nice thorough mix. Lace a little bit more of your figs in there. I had made some of my fennel bread that I made into croutons. Fennel seeded bread, it's on my website, LoriRicciardoni.com. It's amazing bread on its own and great croutons, so I mixed that in a little bit. And that's really it. That's your salad. Get a really nice dish out, plate it, a little bit more drizzle of your vinaigrette if you wish, a little sprinkle of your parsley. Voila, you have a beautiful salad. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it and you will give this a try at home. It's a delicious, really usable vinaigrette that I think you will use over and over again, as I do. If you enjoyed the class, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit my website, lauriaricciardoni.com, which has beautiful seasonal recipes, all gluten-free, some grain-free, a lot of vegan as well. So again, thanks for watching. Until next time, buon appetito, stay well.